Did you know? Whether you are dealing with diabetes or insulin resistance, there are ways to effectively improve weak erections. It may sound unbelievable, but it has been proven by scientific research. In fact, these methods can change your life without the need for medication. Are you ready to find out? Diabetes and insulin resistance are two common causes of weak erections, but that doesn't mean you have to accept this condition forever. Although this factor can cause certain difficulties, there are still natural and effective measures to restore physiological health. Watch the final video where I share with you simple and easy methods and tips to solve this condition, helping you regain control in your daily life. Don't miss it, because this can change your life forever. You've probably heard about the sexual storm that erectile dysfunction can cause, but did you know that erectile dysfunction can happen regardless of age? This is especially true for those with diabetes or insulin resistance. In this article, I'll share with you how to fix this condition and get back to having a vibrant sex life, despite difficult health conditions like diabetes or insulin resistance. Number 1, nitric oxide, the key to sexual health. If you're looking to improve your erectile function, understanding nitric oxide, NO, is an important step. NO is a molecule that is naturally produced in the body and plays an essential role in creating an erection. When you're sexually aroused, your body releases NO, which dilates blood vessels and increases blood flow to the penis. This process is what creates the erection you're looking for. So why is NO so important? Simply put, when you have enough NO in your body, your levels of cGMP, a compound that relaxes the muscles around your blood vessels, increase. This causes your blood vessels to dilate, allowing blood to flow more easily, and your penis will receive enough blood to maintain an erection. In short, NO acts as a signal to your body to prepare for that special event. But not everyone produces enough NO naturally, especially people with diabetes or insulin resistance. These people often have problems with blood circulation and blood vessel health, leading to a deficiency of NO. Without enough NO, the body will not be able to achieve the desired erection, whether stimulated or not. So how can you increase NO production in the body? One of the simplest but most effective ways is to change your diet. Foods like beets, green vegetables, chia seeds, and blueberries all contain ingredients that help increase NO production. Specifically, the nitrates in beets help the body convert into NO, thereby improving blood circulation. Foods rich in amino acids like L-arginine, found in pumpkin seeds, poultry, and beans, also play an important role in stimulating the body to produce NO. In addition, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, exercising regularly, and reducing stress can also help increase NO. When the body is healthy and blood vessels are unclogged, NO can be produced more efficiently. Number 2, nitrate-rich foods, natural solution for erections. When it comes to improving sexual function naturally, one of the easiest and most effective solutions is through diet. And if you are looking for a way to enhance your erectile ability, nitrate-rich foods are a must-have. Nitrates are present in many familiar foods such as beets, spinach, green vegetables, and leafy greens. These foods contain very high levels of nitrate, and when entering the body, they will be converted into nitric oxide, NO. NO helps dilate blood vessels, improving blood circulation, especially to the penis. This makes the erection process easier and more effective. Many people think that eating foods rich in nitrates is only good for those who want to lose weight or maintain health, but in fact, this is a secret weapon for those who are experiencing physiological problems, especially those with diabetes or insulin resistance. If you want to see a noticeable improvement, start adding these foods to your diet today. Beets and spinach are not only rich in vitamins and minerals, but also help improve sexual health naturally and safely. Besides, you can also find some other foods that support NO production, such as watermelon, garlic, and onions. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that increases NO and supports effective blood circulation. Garlic and onions contain allicin, a compound that can improve blood circulation and strengthen cardiovascular health, thereby helping to maintain erections. Number 3, maintain healthy habits to maintain sexual health. You have certainly heard a lot about the benefits of exercise, but did you know that regular exercise can also help improve erectile function? Imagine a healthy, energetic body, helping you feel more confident in intimate moments. Exercise not only helps you lose weight and maintain your figure, but also stimulates the production of nitric oxide, NO, an extremely important factor in improving blood circulation, dilating blood vessels and helping blood flow easily to the penis. This means you will be able to maintain better erections, improving the quality of your sex life without the need for complicated interventions. Moreover, exercise also helps reduce stress, an important factor in maintaining good sexual health. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, helping you feel more relaxed and happy. Feelings of anxiety, fatigue, and stress can directly affect your ability to have an erection and your sexual desire, but with a healthy and flexible body, you can easily overcome those obstacles. A study from the American Heart Association shows that people who exercise regularly tend to have better cardiovascular health and are less likely to experience sexual problems, including erectile dysfunction. In addition, there is a very simple but extremely effective habit that you can apply to improve your sexual health: Kegel exercises. This exercise helps strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, improve urinary control, and support the maintenance of a long-lasting erection during sex. You can do these exercises anywhere, from the office to watching TV at home. These exercises are gentle but have extremely great effects if practiced consistently. A study published in the British Medical Journal, BMJ, has shown that Kegel exercises can help men control erections better and prolong intercourse. In particular, these exercises not only help strengthen the pelvic muscles but also help improve your psychology, creating confidence when facing your partner. Thus, improving sexual health is not just about using temporary measures or medication. Healthy habits such as regular exercise and practicing Kegel exercises will help you improve weak erections in a long-term and natural way. Number 4. Reduce stress and improve sleep. Stress is the number one enemy not only for your overall health but also especially affects your sexual health. When the body is stressed, it will produce the hormone cortisol, a substance that can reduce testosterone levels in the body. Testosterone is a key hormone in maintaining erection and sexual desire. A study from Harvard University shows that high levels of cortisol can make it difficult for the body to maintain an erection and cause physiological disorders. Therefore, reducing stress is an indispensable solution in improving sexual health. So how to reduce stress effectively? One of the simplest and easiest ways is to meditate or practice yoga. These exercises not only help relax the body but also help your mind become more comfortable and pleasant. In fact, a study by the University of Maryland Medical Center found that people who meditate regularly have lower cortisol levels and significantly improved sexual health. Try spending at least 10 to 15 minutes a day to relax your mind, reduce anxiety and stress. This will have an immediate positive effect on your erectile ability and sexual health. Besides stress, another extremely important factor for sexual health is sleep. Without enough quality sleep, especially deep sleep, REM sleep, the body will not be able to produce enough testosterone to maintain good physiological health. A study from the Journal of the American Medical Association, JAMA, showed that people who sleep less than 5 hours a night have 15% lower testosterone levels than those who sleep 7 to 8 hours a night. This shows that sleep not only helps the body recover but also directly affects erectile ability and sexual desire. To get quality sleep, you need to create a regular bedtime routine every day. Avoid using electronic devices before bed and limit drinking caffeinated beverages in the evening. A quiet, cool, and dark sleeping space will also help you fall into a deep sleep, restoring energy for a new day full of vitality. Number 5. Supplements and other natural remedies. In addition to natural foods, supplements are also an effective option to improve sexual function, especially for those who want to optimize their physiological health. One of the most popular supplements is L-arginine, an amino acid that stimulates the body to produce nitric oxide, NO. NO is a key factor in dilating blood vessels and improving blood flow to the genitals, thereby improving erectile function. A study in the journal Urology found that L-arginine can reduce erectile dysfunction in men, especially those with diabetes or blood circulation problems. In addition to L-arginine, you can also try herbs such as maca root, ashwagandha, and ginseng. These herbs have long been used in traditional medicine to improve sexual health and increase energy. Maca root is known for its ability to stimulate sexual desire and reduce anxiety, while ashwagandha is known for its stress-relieving properties, helping the body recover quickly and enhancing physiological strength. Ginseng is a great herb that improves blood circulation and energy, while also supporting erectile function. A study published in the Journal of Urology showed that ginseng can help men improve sexual function and maintain erections longer. In addition, zinc is an indispensable mineral in everyone's diet. Zinc plays an important role in the production of testosterone, an important hormone in maintaining male sexual health. A study from the National Institutes of Health showed that zinc deficiency can lead to reduced testosterone production, negatively affecting physiological ability. If you don't get enough zinc from foods like red meat, seafood, and nuts, supplementing with zinc can help keep your testosterone levels stable, which can improve your erections and overall sexual health. Number 6. Make lifestyle changes and avoid harmful factors. Overcoming erectile dysfunction depends not only on dietary supplements or natural remedies, but also closely related to lifestyle changes and giving up harmful habits. One of the first factors to pay attention to is smoking. Smoking not only damages cardiovascular health but also directly affects erectile ability. When you smoke, the chemicals in cigarette smoke will narrow the blood vessels, reducing the ability to flow blood to the penis. This makes it difficult to maintain an erection and can lead to erectile dysfunction. Research from the American Journal of Epidemiology has shown that smokers have a higher rate of erectile dysfunction than non-smokers. Therefore, if you want to improve your erectile ability, quitting smoking is an important step that cannot be ignored. Excessive alcohol consumption is also another harmful factor to physiological health. Although drinking a small amount of alcohol can help relieve stress and create a sense of relaxation, drinking too much can damage the nervous system and reduce sexual control. Alcohol reduces testosterone levels and can cause erectile dysfunction. Studies show that men who drink alcohol regularly will have difficulty maintaining an erection, even leading to erectile dysfunction. Therefore, controlling your alcohol intake and avoiding excessive drinking will help you protect your physiological health. In addition to giving up smoking and alcohol, losing weight is also an important lifestyle change. If you are overweight, losing at least 10% of your body weight can have a significant effect on erectile ability. Being overweight or obese increases the risk of conditions such as diabetes and high blood pressure, two factors that can negatively affect physiological function. A study published in Obesity Research and Clinical Practice found that men who lost weight could significantly improve their erectile ability and testosterone levels. This will not only improve your sexual function but also your overall health. To achieve your weight loss goals, you need to combine a healthy diet with regular exercise. Exercise helps burn calories, reduce excess fat and improve cardiovascular health, thereby improving blood circulation and supporting erections. Quitting smoking, limiting alcohol, losing weight and maintaining a healthy lifestyle will not only help you improve your sexual health but also improve the quality of your everyday life. While these natural methods can be effective, sometimes you may need medical intervention if your erectile dysfunction does not improve. Treatments such as Viagra, Cialis, or vacuum pumps can provide temporary relief. However, these treatments can also cause side effects such as headaches and back pain, so consult your doctor before using them. In addition to medication, some advanced treatments such as shockwave therapy or penile implant surgery can also be considered if other treatments are not effective. However, these methods often require the intervention of a specialist. Overcoming erectile dysfunction is not too difficult. By making lifestyle changes, adding healthy foods, reducing stress, and maintaining quality sleep, you can completely improve your physiological health. Remember, erectile dysfunction is not an insurmountable problem, and there are many options for you to regain your sexual confidence. Wishing you good health and a fulfilling sex life.